Hey guys, so today's video I'm going to show the correct process for changing the nozzles on the new Bambulab H2D, and that's due to the fact that there's a little flap that blocks the bottom of the nozzle. So before you choose to swap a nozzle, you need to decide which nozzle you're swapping and then go into the settings on your H2D here. So you click on this button here, you'll see there's a section called Nozzle and Extruder. Click on this. You can see currently the right nozzle is chosen, which means the flap is blocking the left one. So if we want to swap the left nozzle, you want to click on left nozzle and that'll move the flap, which you can hear it there moving. So now the right nozzle is blocked and the left nozzle is available to swap. So just to note, that same functionality is also available in the Bambu Handy app. So once you open the app and choose your printer, go into printer and view all, and up here at the top you'll see nozzle and extruder. Click more, and now it gives you the option to swap between left and right. So if I click left, it will move the flap, and now we're free to swap out the left hand nozzle. So before we proceed, we want to take the front cover off. So pinch it at the top, pull it out and down, and it comes off. I want to catch the rubber silicone sock by the base and at the top and pull it out. This little clip pulls to the right, like so, and moves the clasp to the left. Catch the nozzle by the base, make sure it's cold, simply lift it out, and that's it. Swap it to whatever you want to change it to, and the process is just reversed for reinstalling. Push it in at the top, make sure it sits into position, cover it with the clasp, and push the clip into position. Then get your silicone sock and install it at the base first, push it up and in the top, and that's it. Once you have that done, you can go back here to your main screen and you click on read nozzle info, and it'll automatically detect what nozzle is in it. Click confirm. So it's complete. You could manually enter it by tapping on this here and telling them what it is, and once you've selected it, hit confirm, and the same then for the right hand nozzle. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks.